Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Right next to me we have a beautiful 1989 Ford Mustang convertible. This is powered by the 5-liter, which is 225 horsepower. To see more details on this 32,000 original mile Mustang, please look at the link below, click on it. Also like and subscribe so we can give you more content like this. I'm gonna start off with the front fascia and talk about the paint quality. I'm gonna rate the paint quality an 8 out of 10 because of the originality. So it's never been painted, never been touched up. Bumperettes are still, or the bumpers are still in great shape, but there is minor fading, and that's common for these vehicles. Otherwise, the paint quality is very nice. I don't see any dents or dimples. You do have minor imperfections on the hood. Let me pop it. This is the good stuff. Still has all the Motorcraft hoses. That is unbelievable for the condition. I think this belt is probably original. Has the correct cap for the distributor. Original airbox, never been modified. You do have an upgraded alarm system. That's the only thing I can see. Top half is extremely clean. You've got Motorcraft, and you still have the smog pump. So this car came out of California. Wait till you see the inside. Let me go ahead and close it, and we'll go down the driver's side. Driver's side, super nice. All of these rubbers are in great shape, all this plastic. You got your 5-liter badge right here. All the rubber is original and in great shape. And then your anodized metal back here, or I think it is anodized. Anodized or painted is in excellent condition. The top is like new, works perfect. Let me open up this door. Door cards are in excellent condition. Seats are pristine, so I think they've had the leather redone on the inside section. But it does have every feature you could think of for '89. The rubber looks really good right here, and all the glass is in great shape. It's tinted as well. You do have your information placard right here. So it was built 1288. There's your VIN number, and that'll have all your information, and it is correct. Seat belts retract as they should. You hang it right here. There you go, in case you don't have anybody coming in the back. Steering wheel's in great shape. Your power lumbar does work, you can hear it. And then you can tilt the seat forward. Center console's in great shape. The only modification is a light from the alarm. Your mirror controls work as they should. Let's continue on with the walk here. Door closes easily. Small imperfection right here. I didn't see that until now. The wheels, the pony wheels, chrome pony wheels. That's like killer from the era, amazing. LX badge right here. Let me open up the trunk. Let's open up this trunk here. Trunk's really nice, by the way. It has a little luggage rack. Not that you'll ever put any luggage on it. Third brake light. Then you do have the top cover. So when you put the top down, you can cover it and it's the correct color. The interior of the trunk is beautiful, as are all the pinch welds. Taillights are in great shape, and those are the original correct ones. Tailpipes, that's factory. That's how they're supposed to look, and they sound great. Small little scratch right here on the bumper, and a small little scratch on the taillight. But for 32,000 miles and being original, this is unbelievable. Passenger side quarter is great. There is no rust on this. We're gonna have it in the air for you so you can see pictures in our gallery. Passenger side looks really nice. Let me go ahead and start it for you, and we will lower the top for this test drive. Starts up with ease, how you put the top down. Also you have your mirrors here. You're gonna pull these two. I always like to push up a little bit just to make sure it's not gonna grab. And then push the top button. It's pretty fast. Flip these up. Let's give it a little bit of gas so you can hear it. Let me get back there. Wow, that sounds great. Nice and quiet, not modified. Let's put all the glass down so all the windows go down easily. Power windows in the rear. Your seat belts are proper. Let's jump in it and go for a ride. We're inside the Mustang right now. As I said, the steering wheels are great. It does have cruise control. We're gonna try that. You've got your gauges right here. Your tachometer goes to 5750. Speedometer shows 140. I've got great oil pressure, the temperature's down, obviously we just started it, and our voltage is working. Our lights work, I just saw it flicker down. You got your hazards here, and then the AC is cold, but we have the top down. Radio is right here. Let's see if I can figure out how to work this. FM? I must find a station. I feel like I'm in a concert. 20 watts by 4. I'm gonna turn it off. What's pretty neat is it still has the original shifter, and look at how nice it is. Also, the spring is still working on this. Our mirrors operate as they should. The mirror is automatic dim. I think it has an auto dims feature, and then you also have lights underneath here. Let's put it in gear. First gear, I'm just gonna pull the clutch out. No chattering. It's pulling itself. I mean, it says 32,000 miles, so the clutch has plenty of life left. And it doesn't make any rattly sounds when you're driving it, which is nice. So we're about to go into a little dip. Listen. Nothing. Let's see how the shift transition is. Oh, it's smooth. Tires have about 95% tread. Horn works. There's that famous Al Copeland boat, the Popeyes boat. We're in second. Feels really good. Suspension feels great. We're going about 45 miles an hour. I'm in third gear. Let me put the windows up on my side so you can hear me a little better. The bumps are coming up, so we're gonna see how it does well over the bumps. Fifth gear. It's really firm and it's smooth too. Easy to downshift. I'll get it in second here. Take this corner. Very smooth. If you guys are looking to ship this car to a different state or a different country, just go to our site. You can click on the transport button. You fill out your port of entry or your zip code, pick the specific vehicle, and we'll get a quote back to you within 24 hours. All right, let's turn left on here. Let's get a little bit sporty. You ready? Oh, it feels good, and that suspension feels great. If you guys are interested in financing this specific Mustang, just go to our site. On that specific vehicle page, you're gonna see a finance link. You can click on that, or you can go to our finance tab and select one of the 3 lenders that we trust, and they'll be able to give you a rate based on your credit. Right now, you need to have a credit score of around 730, 740 to be approved. The rates are around 6%. Wow, this thing drives great. If you guys have any other questions about this specific Mustang, just give us a call. Runs great. You're gonna have a blast. 954-363-2261.